Our first program was quite simple. In fact, it did nothing other than just displaying hello world onto the screen. Let's make it interesting. We shall do an addition program. For that, we're going to take two numbers from the user, add them, and we'll display the result. Let's do it. Let me take another file. I'll save this as addition.c. Then hash include stdio.h. Then void main and our function is ready. First we shall print hi, enter two numbers to add. Let's do it. Printf hi, enter two numbers to add, and close the quotation. Here I'll be using a special character /n, which tells the program that the cursor has to move to the next line. Then once this is done, close the statement with the statement terminator semicolon. Okay, now we're gonna print this. Then this user enters some numbers. So there should be a way where we can extract the user input. For that, we'll be using a library function called Scanf, and the syntax is like this: %t space %d comma %a and %b, and close the statement. Here a and b are two variables where I'm storing the values of the numbers, and that ampersand signifies that it has to be stored in a memory location. And within the quotation marks you can see %d. It's basically, it scans the integers which are typed on the console. If you want to scan a character, we'll be using %c, and a decimal %f. So we'll go much in detail about this in the further programs. For now, let's take with integers, that is %d. One important point to note here: in order to store these integers in the memory location, first we need to define it, and the syntax for defining the variables is data type followed by variable name, and all the declarations should be done in the first of the program. So we are taking integers, so the data type is int space and the variable name is a, b, and let's take a third variable result to actually store the result, and close the statement with a semicolon. Save. After this, I'll make result equals 0. This is basically, we are trying to assign a 0 value to result. Otherwise, it can take some random value or a garbage value. Now, once you scan the numbers, we need to perform the operation. The operation is result equals a plus b. We are trying to add. Now, once that is done, we're going to display it to screen with a printf. Printf, the result, or rather the sum of the numbers is, see, for every in different numbers you will get different results. So we'll be using %d, and this %d is replaced by result in the runtime, and close it with a semicolon. I hope this should work. Let's compile and run. Compile and run. Hi, enter two numbers to add. Okay, 10 and 23, and the result is 33. Cool, it's working good. Now we're gonna make some touch up to this by adding comments. Comments give more clarity and understanding of what we are doing. It's not compulsory, but it's better, and these comments should be self-explanatory. Let's begin that, and we'll start from the first statement. Before we include anything, let's tell like what exactly this program is. And the syntax is forward slash a star and the comment. This is addition program. Oh, this is the addition program. And once you want to close it, star and again a forward slash. So anything you write between a forward slash star and a star forward slash is taken as a comment. This can be multi-line also, so I can enter and write another line. Author Krishna Teja. Save. And within the program we can write as many number of comments, and it can be written anywhere. Let's not make it too much messy. Let me write 2 or 3 comments. So here I'll write declaration, and here let's write as operation. Cool. Usually people are lazy, we generally ignore them, but if we are in a team and we are building a big software, a well commented code is always essential. Otherwise the other team members won't understand what we are writing. It becomes a little difficult to share. Okay, let's try running this. Okay, we need to compile and then run. 23 and 34, 57. Cool. I think it's looking better now, right?